So what I'm expecting this week is for you to do all these initial module, which is getting started. Make sure you read the syllabus. Then there's some simple quizzes you need to take. But module 1 generally talks about for you to download Flash if you want to use this from home, and you need to download the data files. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on Things to Do module. Okay, and here it specifically states that you need to download Adobe Flash and download the student data files. Now if we go back, the first link, download and save data files, so I'm going to download them. I'm going to click on them, and so there's the data files. It's in a separate module, so data files, so I'm going to download them. It's a zipped file, so I'm going to click on it again, and you can see it's downloading here. I can show this in folder to see when it's actually downloaded. It's still downloading, so it's 21 megabytes.
What did you say download here? Sorry, we are unable to. Is it
So in Canvas, you need to remember you cannot open a zip file. You have to click on that link. It's a bit cumbersome. You have to click on the link from the module, then you have to click on it again to download it. Here you have to click on that. Then you will see it in the folder that it's downloaded. Now I could see the file here. It's a zipped file. In order for me to access this, it's compressed, so I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to double click on that. Now it opens it, or shows you that there is a folder in there, and in the folder there's a number of different files. I'm going to drag and drop this to my desktop. I'm going to drag and drop it to my desktop. Now what it does is it uncompresses that. And now I'm done with these other windows that are open. I'm going to close them. I've got a folder now with my data files. Now if I open my folder, I can see the folders that are associated to each chapter. Now if I open the first one, I've got FLA files. So I'm unable to open these if you don't have Flash. You need to have Flash at home in order to access these files. So now if we go back to Canvas, in this case, the next part is going to be, if you want to download Flash, is going to be for you to download Flash. So you click on download Adobe Flash, and here I've provided a link, and in particular there's the education, or if you're a student or an educator you get a discount. So I'm now going to click on that, and there's a number of different membership plans. Remember, if you're online and you don't want to purchase Flash, you can download a 30-day trial. Also you can come in and use the pieces in the labs in Building 30. So here there's a $19.99 a month option available. So you would click on it, you would download it, and then you would install it. So I'm assuming you guys know how to do that. It's basic sort of computer literacy I'm expecting you guys to know. So once you've done that, you've downloaded it, you've installed it, and if you're not familiar with sort of basic file management, then there is a video on file management basics, so watch that, get used to it, try to understand it. Then I need you to do the checklist, the setup quiz, and the initial screenshots. So what the initial screenshots I'm expecting here is a screenshot of the data files on your desktop, a screenshot of Adobe Flash open. So with regards to the screenshot, what I want you guys to do is, once you've unzipped it, I want you to open the data files folder, then do a screenshot. How do you do a screenshot? You could select the window and then you press the Alt key followed by the print screen key, which is on the top right hand side. You press that. Then we can launch Word, and then you would do Control V for Victor, which would paste it. That's our first screenshot for my data files, so I can prove that I have downloaded the data files, I have access to the data files. Then following that, you would launch Flash. So assuming that you have installed it, so once you launch Flash, you'll do the same thing, and you would insert the screenshot at the bottom. You would save this document, and then you would attach it to initial setup screenshots.